Bawda St Andrews, and welcome back to another singing assembly. Now, I want to start today by saying a huge diolch yn fawr iawn for your amazing singing last week. Oh my goodness, I was walking around St Andrews and I could hear all the amazing singing. All of you in the Connect, I've heard amazing things from your teachers. So thank you, thank you, thank you for being such amazing singers. Now, I think you all shared my absolute love of this song. So I'm going to play it to you first, just to remind you of what it sounds like. It's honestly my absolute favourite. I can't stop singing it. I'm annoying everyone in school and everyone at home by singing this song. But I'm not ashamed. Now, what we are going to do today is we are going to start off by singing the first two verses in the chorus that we learnt last week, and then we will learn the next two and another chorus as well. So, sitting up nice and straight, make sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed. Sitting up nice and straight, make sure all your tummy, your lungs, everything like that is nice and open to make our singing a lot better. So, up nice and straight, let's go. Here we go.
Cabbages and greens, broccoli and beans, cauliflower and roasted potatoes taste so good to me. Apricots and plums, ripened in the sun, oranges and yellow bananas, good for everyone. It's another harvest festival, when we bring our fruit and vegetables, 'cause we want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat, with a summer celebration to say thank you to God the Father.
Amazing. Oh, sorry about that. Amazing. I'm super proud of you already. Now, what we're going to do now is go on to the next little bit of the verse. Now, like I said last week, the really good thing about this song is that it's exactly the same tune, just different lyrics. So we're going to go through the lyrics, my turn, your turn, and then we will put it all together and sing the whole thing. So, my turn, your turn, one line at a time. Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beet, fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Good. This time, my turn, your turn, but 2 lines at a time. So listen carefully for the 2 lines and then repeat after me. Here we go. Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beet, good. My turn. Fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Good. This time it's going to be my turn, your turn, but the whole way through. Okay, so listen to what it's supposed to sound like, and then we'll go through it again together. Here we go. Ready? My turn. Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beet, fluffy fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Your turn. Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beet, fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Good, very, very well done. Now let's put that to the music. Now let me get it in the right place because otherwise it's going to mess everything up. So here we go.
To be grateful for the food we eat.
Listening.
With a summer celebration to say thank you to God the Father.
Ready?
Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beet, fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat.
Very, very good. Now on to the next little bit. And it is all about coffee, cocoa and tea. Now, this is my favourite one because a lot of you know cocoa, chocolate, it's my absolute favourite. So, now let's have a look. My turn, your turn, one line at a time. Coffee, cocoa, tea. Growing naturally. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices. Very nice indeed. Good. My turn, your turn. 2 lines at a time. Ready? Coffee, cocoa, tea. Growing naturally. And good. My turn. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices. Very nice indeed. Good. Now, all the way through, so listen to what it's supposed to sound like, then you can repeat it. So, coffee, cocoa, tea. Growing naturally. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices. Very nice indeed. Your turn. Coffee, cocoa, tea. Growing naturally. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices. Very nice indeed. Very good. Now let's take it back a little bit and we can go from the last verse into this new one. So hopefully we'll just go to the end of the chorus a little bit. Apologies. And we'll go straight in. Ready? And
Golden corn and wheat,
oats.
oats and sugar beet, fluffy rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Coffee, cocoa, tea, growing naturally. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices, very nice indeed.
Very, very good. Now, like I said last week, the only difficult bit about this song is going into the chorus very, very quickly. Okay, so as soon as we have finished singing Very Nice Indeed, you go straight into the chorus of It's Another Harvest Festival very, very quickly. Okay, so we're just going to go through that chorus without any music just to remind us, and then we'll put it all together. So all together. And it's another harvest festival when we bring our fruits and vegetables, 'cause we want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat, with a Santa celebration to say thank you to God the Father. Good. Now, what we're going to do now is we are going to go from this last bit of the verse straight into the chorus and remember how quick it needs to be. So, this verse straight into the chorus all together. And coffee, cocoa, tea, growing naturally. Herbal plants and all kinds of spices, very nice indeed. It's another harvest festival when we bring our fruits and want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat. With a Samba celebration to say thank you to God the Father. Amazing. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go from the verse that we've learnt today all the way through to the chorus. So if I just take it back a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Here we go. Get ready. Ready?
Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beets, lovely rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Coffee, cocoa, tea, growing naturally, herbal plants and all kinds of spices, very nice indeed. It's another harvest festival, when we bring our fruit and vegetables, 'cause we want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat, with a Samba celebration to say thank you to God the Father.
Amazing. Now, to finish off singing Assembly today, we are going to go all the way from the beginning, the whole way through. Now, I think I know, well, you know what I'm about to ask you. I need you all to stand up and I need to see you dancing at the same time. Okay, from the beginning, let's make it the best one. Here we go.
Cabbages and greens, broccoli and beets, cauliflower and roasted potatoes taste so good to me. Apricots and plums, ripened in the sun, oranges and yellow bananas, good for everyone. It's another harvest festival, when we bring our fruit and vegetables, 'cause we want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat, with a Samba celebration to say thank you to God the Father.
Make sure you're dancing.
Golden corn and wheat, oats and sugar beets, lovely rice and tasty spaghetti, wonderful to eat. Coffee, cocoa, tea, growing naturally, herbal plants and all kinds of spices, very nice indeed. It's another harvest festival, when we bring our fruit and vegetables, 'cause we want to share the best of all the good things that we've been given. It's another opportunity to be grateful for the food we eat, with a Samba celebration to say thank you to God the Father.
Amazing. I absolutely loved that. I want to say a massive well done to every single one of you for the amount of effort you have put into that song. So well done. Have a lovely, lovely Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Taboki!